students. Today we are going to see farm tractor subject unit 5. So in this topic we are going to see what is power tiller, bulldozer and tractor testing. So step one by one we are going to see. First of all we are going to see power tiller. So power tiller is nothing but it's a walking type tractor. It is widely used by the small and marginal farmers. So it is small in size. It is very compact to work, and it also replaces the animal power more effectively and helps in raising the demand for the human labor. So it is a machine compiled with a 1.5 HP engine, and it is designed as is easy to operate in the various agricultural equipments. A power tiller is capable to perform the operations of different farm implements like rotary, puddler, leveler, trailers, plow, disc and thresher. Its most important function of power tiller is it prepares an accurate seeded for the crop to be planted and warms the soil before planting. And coming to the special features of power tiller, so it can work small as well as large farms, but they are particularly recommended for farmers where the land sizes are very small, and also a rugged sloping terrain might make tractor about impractical. So it is difficult and dangerous in the sloping terrains, like, so in that places it is very difficult to operate. So coming to the hilly areas, so power tillers to be extremely useful for the terrace farming, and also rice and paddy cultivations. So so it is very helpful for the cultivation process. It is very easy to operate the implements also. So this is the structural view of the power tiller. So the power tiller having the engine pulley, the handle support. The handles is used to move forward and backward, like a cycle, motorcycles. So in that these are all the diagrammatic features. So coming to the types of power tillers, there are three different sizes are available in the power tiller: mini sized power tiller, medium sized power tiller and large sized power tiller. So mini sized power tillers are the implements which are used for the vegetable and fruit farms, and then medium sized power tillers are useful where the soil is very thicker. The medium sized power tillers are used, and the large sized power tillers are used for the farmlands where are sufficient to maneuver the tiller when it is required. These tillers are propelled forward by the wheels, and the spinning tines are also positioned between the wheels. So coming to the bulldozer is useful for the earth reclamations works and also various works. So compared to the tractors, power tillers having the track type and also chain type, all the types of tires. So it works on any places. It works on wherever it is used, like hilly areas, terrain, sloping areas, all the areas bulldozers are used for the earth reclamations works and all the land leveling works. It is used. So it is a heavy equipment that gives a capability to hold on to the ground very effectively, and it works very efficiently compared to the tractors and power tillers. It's a very heavy equipment also. So this is the diagrammatic view of the power tiller. So power tiller having the diesel engine, mold plate for the reclamation works, and removable projective cap, fuel tank, steel track shoes. I mentioned earlier that the power tiller bulldozers having the track type are also the chain type tires. These are all the view of the power tiller. And then coming to the types of tractor test, the tractor testing is very important before the approval of the machine. So there are some standard codes and norms are there. Required to uh, it should be required for the checking of the tractor. So there are so many tests, which mainly we have to check the compulsory test, the three important points which to be required. So first of all, main power takeoff and the fuel consumption characteristics are to be checked, and then hydraulic power and lifting force also to be checked, and then drawbar power, fuel consumptions also be checked before the giving the coding. So coming to the optional test, so these are all the optional tests which are to be required before the checking of the machine. So engine test, additional power takeoff ratio, reagent consumption during power takeoff, drawbar power testing, hydraulic power, and the performance of the belt, and the performance in a hard atmosphere, low temperature starting test, additional drawbar test, 10-hour test, that is ballasted tractors. So these are to be checked. There are several types of test: power tiller test and also tractor test. Tractor is to be tested with the norms, and also the power tiller test also be checked before the production are giving to the customer. It is to be checked, and it is to be checked on all the parameters. So that's all about the tractor test. Thank you.